All right, we started sanding it. Then we're gonna remove all the trim. We're gonna remove all the trim and shit, so we can keep on doing this whole shit. I remove this shit. I remove the emblem right there on the other side. That 3.8 liter bullshit. The Buick shit is still there. I'll have to take it off. Put some new ones. So yeah, we're getting it, baby. Oh, and we finally got a fucking power washer so that we can wash the 350 and start working on that too. Let's get it. It's not gonna get done if we don't put in work in it, right? Cool.